دہاڑے ہونے والی ایک جرات مندانہ کیش وین ڈکیتی کی صرف 2 دن بعد پولیس نے اہم کامیابی حاصل کی ہے۔ پولیس نے 5.7 کروڑ برآمد کر کے 3 ملزمان کو گرفتار کر لیا ہے۔ یہ ڈکیتی 19 نومبر کو ہوئی تھی اور پولیس کے مطابق اس کی منصوبہ بندی 3 ماہ تک کی گئی تھی۔ ملزمان نے ایسے علاقوں کا انتخاب کیا جہاں CCTV کیمرے نہیں تھے، جعلی نمبر پلیٹ والی گاڑیاں استعمال کیں اور پکڑے جانے سے بچنے کے لیے موبائل فون کا استعمال بھی نہیں کیا۔ گرفتار ہونے والوں میں پولیس کانسٹیبل انپا نائک، کیش وین کے فلیٹ کے انچارج گوپال پرساد اور کیش ٹرانسپورٹ کمپنی کے سابق ملازم جے زیور شامل ہیں۔ یہ گرفتاریاں ڈکیتی کے 50 گھنٹوں کے اندر کی گئی ہیں، جبکہ کل 30 افراد کو حراست میں لے کر پوچھ گچھ کی گئی ہے۔ پولیس کے مطابق ملزمان نے خود کو RBI کے اہلکار ظاہر کیا اور 7.11 کروڑ نقدی لے جانے والی وین کو روکا۔ انہوں نے وین کے عملے کو اپنی گاڑی میں بٹھا لیا اور کیش باکسز لے کر ڈیری سرکل کی طرف فرار ہو گئے۔ بعد میں عملہ چھوڑ دیا گیا اور ملزمان رقم لے کر فرار ہو گئے۔ چوری شدہ نقدی CMS انفو سسٹم لمیٹڈ کے ذریعے JP نگر کے ایک پرائیویٹ بینک سے منتقل کی جا رہی تھی۔ بنگلورو سٹی پولیس کمشنر سیمنت کمار سنگھ نے اس انویسٹیگیشن ٹیم کے لیے 5 لاکھ انعام کا اعلان کیا ہے، جو کیس حل کرنے میں کامیاب ہوئی۔ باقی مفرور ملزمان کو پکڑنے کے لیے تقریباً 200 پولیس اہلکار مختلف سمتوں میں تعینات کیے گئے ہیں۔ پولیس نے واضح کیا ہے کہ ڈکیتی میں ملوث افراد کے خلاف سخت کارروائی کی جائے گی اور تحقیقات جاری ہے۔ اس معاملے میں مزید جانکاری کے لیے دیکھتے رہیں ڈیلی سالار اردو ڈیجیٹل۔
In the Bengaluru police city jurisdiction, in Siddhapura police station, on 19 November 2025, there was a case registered wherein 7 crores 11 lakhs, which was being shifted in a cash van from one bank currency chest to another bank, was waylaid, and the accused have taken away the total amount in 4 boxes. In this particular case, the city police control room got an information, but the location of the information was totally in a different direction. It was in the eastern part of the city as per the control room information, whereas this offence had taken place in the southern part of the city. However, after a lapse of about 1.5 hours, the police got the correct information, and then the entire investigation, the planning started, wherein our DCP South and DCP CCB, along with the Joint Commissioners CCB and West, have meticulously planned the details, and a total team of around 200 staff were deployed in the last 2-3 days. They have spread across Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, and up to Goa, and 11 inspectors, 2 ACPs along with inspectors from CCB. They have all they have done an excellent job in raiding places where there was evidences or trying to catch the accused. In this particular case, we have recovered as of now 5.76 crores cash, and 3 accused have been arrested. The 3 accused, one of the person is the person who is in charge of the vehicle movement of this CMS security vehicles in the city. One more person is an ex-CMS employee. One more person is a police constable attached to one of the police stations in Govindpura in the Eastern Division. These 3 accused have been secured, arrested, and legal formalities are being done. They will be taken into police custody for further inquiry and investigation. We have information of about 6 to 8 persons being totally involved in this entire operation, out of which 3 we have arrested, and still amount which is missing, that has to be recovered. This entire operation was initially faced with many challenges. Especially the gang made a particular recce of the areas, and the areas where there was no CCTV coverage, they have done their operation. They have taken more than 3 months to do planning. Last 15 days continuously they have wrecked the area. Then the gang members were continuously talking in different languages just to mislead the police. Moreover, the currency which was moving was not having a serial numbers, so we did not have the exact counting. And multiple vehicles were used with frequent false number plates. Overcoming all these challenges, the police team have done an excellent job, and more than 30 persons in the last 50 to 60 hours have been questioned. These 30 persons, based on technical evidences, based on CCTV footage, based on human intelligence, were questioned, and 3 people whom we had suspicion were further interrogated, and we have recovered the amount from them. We will be again taking them to police custody and try to get all the others for which we have definite information, and we will apprehend the other accused also. In this entire operation, we have recovered an Innova vehicle which was flashed in the initial hours that this is the vehicle which was used. However, the number plate was false. We have still 2 or 3 more vehicles which may be 1 or 2 more vehicles which may be used. We are trying to identify them. We have specific information. We will get them also. The conspirators, the facilitators, and the inside support mechanism may extend to some other people. We are looking into that angle also, because this is a very, very planned operation. We have comprehensive technical, forensic, and documentary evidence to ensure strong charge sheet and conviction in this case, and we will not leave any stone unturned to see that this case is convicted in a proper manner. It's taken to a logical end. As of now, we cannot share more than these details because the investigation is still on, and as and when it will be, we get more information, we will come back to you. As of now, the excellent work done by the staff and officers has been appreciated by one and all, including our DG and IG, the Honorable Home Minister and the Honorable CM. And on behalf of the City Police, as a Police Commissioner, I am announcing a reward of 5 lakh for the entire team. We will be calling the entire team again once they come back, because some of them are still on their work in different places. We will get them together, have an official felicitation for them, and give them appreciation letters and acknowledge their excellent work which has been done to uphold the morale and the name of the Bangalore City Police. Thank you.